Snap, look is so no. But the Shillong Lajong FC Hakani, Kailik Panaman, Bauta Snap, Tingin ito inta, Yaga interview, Jump Urin
I think dancing is part of football. And I want to say to the people here in India and at Shillong Lajong in particular, I'm finding it easy to dance. I hope to be dancing even more often. It means I've scored a goal. The people are always waiting for it. They say, Edinho, today you will dance. Edinho, today you will dance.
Edinho Junior is just 19 years old and is it all ahead of him. He's currently on the books of English Championship club Blackburn Rovers and he's already represented Portugal at under-19 level. So why did we find him some 6,000 miles from Blackburn playing for Shillong Lajong in the Indian League? Well, thanks to some hard work from one of Shillong's main sponsors, Anglian Holdings, Edinho's been here on a 3-month loan. And during our recent visit, we spent some time with this charismatic young man to see how he's adapted and just why the locals have taken him to their hearts.
I received the proposal in January, and along with the people who work with me, and with my father, who was a great player in his own right, we discussed the situation, and we all said, Edinho, go there because it will be a fantastic experience for you, and you'll enjoy it a lot. I had a wonderful welcome from everybody, and I'll never forget it. The fans, they all surrounded me. They wanted the autograph of Edinho Jr. They wanted photos. And in the middle of the city, as you can see, there are billboards with my photo. It's the best thing that's happened to me. And my first match at home, that was remarkable as well. About 20,000 people, maybe more, were all shouting for me. I won't forget that either.
Edinho.
There was a sense of anxiety at the beginning. The language in India is difficult. But the people here, we understand each other well enough because football is a passion. Football's a party in India, and we understand each other well. It's been good for me to get to know the new cultures. I mean, there's a lot of traffic here, so many people, 2 goals, and that was a fantastic moment for me. You notice that other teams are starting to fear Shillong. Not just because of me, because I'm Portuguese, but because of all the squad, the whole team. We're playing well.
Edinho.
I think I'm the only one. I think I'm the only European in this division in the First League. And I'm enjoying this new experience a great deal. It's a kind of football that will remain with me. It's a new culture that will remain with me. Everything and everyone will remain with me. My dream, and it will become reality, is that Shillong Lajong will stay in the First Division. That Blackburn Rovers will go up into the Premier League. And that with work, effort and dedication, my dream of getting into the Portuguese national team, the A-team, will happen. My family has been with me, watching the matches on TV, and they're very happy because I'm happy, and because the people here are happy with me. They speak with me on a daily basis. Edinho, you're a hero. You went there alone, and now you're enjoying it. And that's what counts.
Whatever else Edinho goes on to achieve, he'll always look back fondly on his time as Shillong's dancing Portuguese.
Thanks to the FIFA Football Mundial crew. Thanks for coming and filming at my place.
See you, my friends. You are the best.